However, how do we offer funeral prayer? It's very simple. It has no bowing nor prostration. It consists of 4 takbir. And there are a number of narrations that make the takbir reach as far as 9. But the scholars say that only 4 or 5 are authentic and the rest are not authentic. So 4 or 5 is permissible. So how to do it? We're going to take an example of offering 4 takbir, because this is the majority of scholars agree upon. You offer the first takbir, Allahu Akbar, and you recite Al-Fatiha. أعوذ بالله الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم to the end. After you finish, you may recite another surah. If the Imam is still reciting, you recite Qul Huwallahu Ahad, any other short surah. Once he finishes, he says Allahu Akbar, and then he offers the prayer on the Prophet ﷺ. We don't have any explanation whether it's the short one, Allahumma salli wa sallim ala Muhammad, or the long one. But the majority of people who pray on funerals offer the long one, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidun Majid. Then you offer the third takbir, Allahu Akbar. And what do you say afterwards? This is what we'll find inshallah after the break, so stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. As stated before the break, funeral prayer consists of 4 takbir. First one, you recite Al-Fatiha. Second one, you offer Salatu Wassalam on the Prophet ﷺ. Third one, you supplicate for the deceased. What do you mean by supplicating for the deceased? There are a number of supplications that we were taught by the Prophet ﷺ. Allahumma اغفر له وارحمه وعافه واعف عنه وتوله برعايتك ولا تحرمه اللهم أكرم نزله ووسع مدخله وافسح له في قبره واجعله مد بصره اللهم اغسله من خطاياه بالماء والثلج والبرد, and so on. So all what you do is you supplicate for the sake of the deceased, that Allah enlarges his grave, that Allah makes it a garden of paradise, and that Allah washes him from his sins as the thobe or the garment is cleaned and cleansed by washing it with water, snow. And you go on asking that Allah substitute him with better family and better house than he had here. And then may Allah grant the patience and tolerance to his family who lost their loved ones. And you ask Allah Azza wa Jal to make him steadfast in this life and in the hereafter with the right word of the kalima. And you ask so many things, all for the sake of the deceased. And then you offer takbir, the 4th takbir, and you do not say a thing, a short pause, and then you go Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to the right only. This is the format that the majority of Muslims worldwide do it. It's very easy, but sometimes people forget. A lot of the times when we have funeral prayer, people, because they don't offer it, they say, what's after the Fatiha? Short surah? After the 2nd takbir, what do you do? I don't know, I forgot. And they get confused. So, what is the ruling if I miss few of the takbirs? So I come to the Imam when he's offering the 3rd takbir. He says Allahu Akbar, and I say the first one, Allahu Akbar. I recite the Fatiha. When he says Allahu Akbar the 4th, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, I say Allahu Akbar the 2nd, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, Allahu Akbar the 3rd, Allahu Akbar the 3rd takbir. No one would relate the 2nd and the 3rd with the name of Allah Azza wa Jal. And then I would offer the dua as long as the funeral is still there, and I offer salam after the 4th takbir.